Hello and welcome to a brief overview of how to use the Search It library catalog. Scroll down to the Start Searching button and click. Doing this will direct you to the Search It library catalog page. From here, you can complete your search by utilizing keywords, a title, an author, an ISBN, and multiple other search terms. First, note that your results list pulls journals, books, articles, and other materials all at once. Let's look at the various ways that we can refine our results using Search It. First, you will note that the default sorts by relevance. This can be changed by clicking on the drop-down menu and selecting a different option. In addition, note the different filters that can be applied. Under resource type, I may be more interested in articles than book chapters. All I need to do is select what I would like to see, and Search It will filter accordingly. I can also choose to view my results based on publication date, topic, language, etc. Because I am a Salina patron, it's important for me to note where my materials are located. You can filter based on Kansas State Salina Library by clicking here. As you can see, Search It is now showing results of materials that are located at the Salina Library or at the Salina and other libraries. It's important to note the difference between an electronic resource and a resource that is available in print. If a resource such as a book is available in print only, you will see that it is located at a particular library, as well as the call number that is associated with that resource in the stacks. Versus an ebook will say that it is available online. If we click through on an item that says available online, we will be redirected to a listing which shows us more citation information and also a link to various databases and other areas where the material is available. All that we need to do is click on the link to be redirected to the item. If a resource says that it is not available online, you can click the link here that says click for other options. You will be redirected to a page that offers you the option to request from Interlibrary Loan. Click on this link to access Interlibrary Loan and order the materials. Some options in Search It are only available if you are logged in. If you click on your account, you will also be able to see your library card information, your loans, your item requests, and your search history. If you have any questions or concerns about how to use the Search It library catalog, please contact your librarian. Thank you and have a good day.